Welcome to this comprehensive review of SuiteCRM, an open-source CRM platform designed for businesses of all sizes. In this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know about SuiteCRM, from its key features and interface to its performance and usability. We'll start with a quick overview of the platform and its position in the CRM software landscape. SuiteCRM stands out because it is entirely open source, which means you have full access to the source code, giving you endless possibilities for customization. I'll navigate through the SuiteCRM website to show you how easy it is to access information about its offerings. The homepage gives a clear view of the software's features, including sales automation, marketing automation, customer support, and workflow management. The layout is intuitive, and important sections like the pricing page, documentation, and community forums are easy to find. Next, I'll demonstrate the download and installation process. SuiteCRM is free to download, and installation is straightforward. You can install it on your server or choose one of their hosting partners for a cloud-based setup. I'll explain the requirements, such as having PHP, MySQL, and a web server, and show you how the platform provides detailed guides to simplify the process. Once inside the SuiteCRM dashboard, you'll notice how user-friendly and clean the interface is. I'll guide you through setting up users, customizing modules, and managing customer data. The module builder is particularly impressive because it allows you to create tailored modules specific to your business needs without requiring advanced technical skills. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources, so make sure to check them out after watching the video. We'll explore the reporting and analytics tools SuiteCRM offers, which provide valuable insights into sales performance, customer interactions, and operational efficiency. I'll show how easy it is to generate detailed reports and export them for further analysis. One of the standout features is the workflow automation tool. I'll walk you through setting up automated workflows, like sending follow-up emails or assigning leads to specific team members. These automations save time and improve efficiency. Finally, I'll discuss SuiteCRM's extensive community support and documentation. Whether you're troubleshooting issues or seeking advice on customization, the SuiteCRM forums and knowledge base are invaluable. For those who need extra help, SuiteCRM offers paid support plans tailored to different levels of business needs. By the end of this review, you'll have a clear understanding of SuiteCRM's capabilities and whether it aligns with your business requirements. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more honest software reviews, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with future uploads. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.